Hello, good afternoon, everyone. So, welcome in the food production classes. So, today we will talk about the syllabus and also the coming exam. Okay, so I will give you this brief about the exam also. First, we will discuss about the syllabus. So, I am sharing with you the syllabus also. As you can see here, in the food production we start from the first chapter, introduction to cookery. So where is the we can see the level of skills and experience, attitude and behavior in the kitchen, personal hygiene, uniform and the protecting clothes. These are the topics from the first chapter. Safety procedure while handling the equipments. If second chapter will be the culinary history. Okay, uh, here in this chapter we are talking about the culinary history, about the cuisines, how the cuisine will start and how many cuisine we have, as well as third chapter is hierarchy area of the department and kitchen. As per establishment, there is a staffing for five-star hotel, for four-star hotel, for three-star hotel. Okay, so here is the topic is classical brigade. What is classical brigade? The question can come from here. A modern staffing in the various category of hotels, different types of hotels and restaurant. As per their budget, they are planning for the staff. Roles of executive chef, duties and responsibility of executive chef. What are the roles of the executive chefs and duties and responsibility of various chefs as well. Next topic is cooperation with other departments. So how you cooperate with the other department as well as how you coordinate with the other departments. Okay, next chapter will be culinary terms. So culinary terms means which those terms we are using in during our operations. List of culinary terms, common and basic terms. Okay, French to English, English to French. Explanation with example these terms. Next we move to the fifth chapter. It's aims and objective. The topic is aims and objective of cooking. Why we need to cook the food. Okay, so there is a aim. What the aim and objective is there? Various texture. How many kind of texture? After cooking, the texture, various consistency. The consistency of the soup, sauces, and the other also how we have to keep also this. Technique used in the preparation. What kind of technique we are using? What kind of preparation also? Technique used in the preparation. And sixth chapter, basic principle of the food production. Okay, first will be we divide into two parts: vegetable and fruits. Introduction, classification of vegetables, pigments and the color changes. Effect on the heat on the vegetable after heat. Okay, what is the effect on the vegetable? Types of cuts. How many types of cuts in the vegetable? Classical cuts is there. Next, classification of the fruits. Uses of fruits in the cookery. Salads and their dressing. What are the salads? Salad come from where and how many kind of salad? Part of salad also we study on this chapter. Next, stock. Definition of stock, types of stock, preparation of stock, recipes. How many kind of stock? White stock, brown stock, fish stock, chicken stock, vegetable stock. So Okay, so why we make the stocks and what are the uses of the stock? Recipes also we are study about the recipe. Storage of stock, where we storage the stock and how long it will be stored. Uses of stock, where we use the stock for soup, sauce, gravies, care and the precautions. Okay. The third part is sauce. Okay. Classification of sauce. How many types of mother sauces? Okay. The recipe of the mother sauces and their derivative also. Storage and precaution. How we store the mother sauces also and how long we can store the sauces. Okay. Then method of cooking. How many types of cooking? Okay. So here we will learn about the cooking, how many method of cooking, how many medium of the cooking. Okay, there are three medium, medium of fat, medium of liquid, okay, moist and dry. So here you can see also one by one all kind of method of cooking: roasting, grilling, frying, baking, broiling, poaching, boiling. Next is chapter is soup. Classification of soup with the example how many types of soup. Okay, and different cuisine have different soups, as well as a basic recipe of consomme with garnish. Okay, chicken consomme, vegetable consomme, meat consomme. Okay, so these are the chapter which is we will discuss, and there will be examination from this chapter in the first semesters. BHM and DHM have the same syllabus for the first sem. Okay, so now I will discuss some questions, some important question with you. So this type of question, okay, how the setup of the paper, I will also tell you this. There is a how we set the papers. Okay. First of all, there will be food production exam will be 100 marks. Okay. 30 marks for the internal exam, and external we have around 70 marks. Okay. So the food production exam is 3 hours. The full marks will be 70, the theoretical part, and the 100 marks will be from the total marks in the food production. Okay. So there will be you will find 10 question, and from 10 you have to attempt any 7 questions. Okay, based on the chapters, based on the syllabus, as well as uh, okay, so I will give you about the question paper, how we set the question paper, as well as okay from your syllabus, which you study about during your classes also. Okay, so the full marks will be 70. Duration time will be the 3 hours. Each question are equal marks. Okay, so mostly the first question, or we can say from the culinary terms, we give the culinary terms. There is each question is the 1 marks. Okay, I will give the example same like agratin. What is agratin? So explain the following terms: potage, Bureau Fondo, HACCP, HACCP. Okay, so you have to write the definition and the full form. Okay, Mirpua, Bukegani, Table d'Hôte, Mise en plat, Florentine, a la carte. So these terms you have to define, and each term have equal marks. So there is a 1 marks question. Okay, so there is form. So total we have 118 culinary terms. So from that culinary terms, you have to be remember this all the culinary terms. You will get from there also. And there will be also some questions based on the other chapters also. So mean what kind of attitude and behavior you need in kitchen. The question can be it can be 5 marks. There is you have to be attempt any two question. There is choice also. Okay. What kind of protective uniform we need to wear in the kitchen also? Okay. Techniques used in the preparation while you walking. Okay. What kind of technique you have to prepare? Okay. Various texture as well as also the question can be like this. Discuss the responsibility of executive chef, sous chef, or various chefs. So, question can be come from the duties and the responsibility of executive chef, sous chef, and the various chef means chef de partie also. So, the question can be come from here. Okay. Next, there will be question also from the general question, which is I taught you during the your academic session also. How many types of storage in the kitchen, in a commercial kitchen, and write their standard temperature. You have to write the standard temperature as well as there also. You have to make the diagram as well as with the thermometer. Okay, so these questions are from 10 marks each questions. Okay, the question next question can be what is sandwiches, types of sandwiches. Write any two kind of hot and cold sandwiches. So you have to write and also the recipe of those sandwiches, okay, which is you are going to be right. Define stock, uses stock, write the recipe of the stock. Okay, the fish stock recipe can be there, brown beef stock also can be there. Okay, so you have to write means the first define the stock, what is the stock, then where we are using the stocks, kahan use karte hum stock ko. So you need to write also the recipes. Okay, as per question you need to write the recipes also. Okay, next question can be from the soup part. Okay, define soup, classification of soup, and write complete recipe and the method of any kind of soup. So during your practical session, you made soups there. Okay, it's from Indian, Chinese, country, whatever the cuisine. Okay, so that's you have to be right with the recipe, with the method as well as. And there is come the vegetable chapter. What is pigment and the classify vegetable in detail. Unlist the part of the salad. Explain in the brief of the role of each part. And write one compound salad recipe and the method as well. So you have to write about the salad and one recipe of compound salad. So compound salad, first you have to know how many types of salad, how many kind of salad, simple salad and compound salad. Simple salad means one or two ingredients you are using in the salad. Compound salad, more than two ingredients you are using salad in the compound salad. So you have to be write the recipe also, one of the compound salad. Okay, for example, Caesar salad, Russian salad, these are the compound salad also you are making. Okay, so first you need to prepare the mise en place while you're doing the practical also. Okay, so you have also the practical exam. Okay, which is you have to be in the conduct in the kitchen. Okay, there is 100 marks practical exam as well as also. So you have to prepare your menu, and then you have to be write your recipes and check your ingredients also, and then you have to be practical here for the practical exam. Next question can be from what is cooking? With the help of the diagram, classify wet and dry method of cooking and discuss any two method in detail. Okay, sorry. What is sauce? Define basic sauce and write any two kind of mother sauce recipe. Okay, as you know, we have the 5 mother sauces, and you have to define also mother sauces You have to make the chart, and then you need to write two kind of sauce recipes as well as also. So there is a theoretical question paper. This is a theoretical question paper. Okay. So there will be more question will be asked from the different chapters. Okay. There will be question can be from some objective question as well as for 1 marks questions. Okay. Also different kind of as per syllabus the question will be there. Okay. There is a objective and subjective both question. Theoretical part will be 100 marks. Okay. As I told you, there will be 30 and 70. Okay. 30 is internal marks and 70 is external marks. Okay. In the theory as well as, and the same in the practical, 30 marks for your academic behavior, how you are, how were you in the academic session. Okay. Your journals, your logbooks. Okay. Uh, okay. Then if you talk about the syllabus, okay, mostly 6 and 7 chapter we discussed in there one by one. And there is also some from soup. Okay, classification of soup. There is this Indian soup, some national soup, some international soup. Okay, and there is also cream based soup. How you make the cream based soup? So you need to write the recipe as well as and also some method as well as. Okay, uh, and in the practical time, okay, just you have to prepare your list, all the ingredients, what you are making. So you need to first plan your menu as well as, so there will be, you can plan one soup. Okay, in the exam one soup. Okay, one or two starter you can make. Main course will be one also. Okay, and then one dessert also you have to prepare. So complete, you have to write the recipe with the method, and then bring your menu as well as. Okay, and then mise en place also you have to do the mise en place in the kitchen. And after complete your all the things, you have to test it by the chef, your class faculty as well as. Okay, and then you get the remarks from them. So this is basically food production. You have 100 marks theoretical and 100 marks will be practical. So if you have any doubts regarding the exam, okay, you can contact me again and ask me again. We will go through with some other sample question papers. Okay, and I can share with you some previous question papers, so you can go through with this and just know about how we set the questions also. And okay, now just last topic regarding the questions. Okay, if you have any doubts, so you can clear your doubts. You can write me, you can text me as well as, so I can try to answer your questions. Thank you so much.